Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, viewers, today I made a beautiful Easter centerpiece. I use a basket and colorful eggs. The eggs look bright and happy. I add some flowers for a fresh look. It is perfect for your table's decoration. Easy to make and very beautiful. Try this idea at home. Flower Easter centerpiece. And viewers, next idea is and this is a flower Easter centerpiece. I use soft flower and pastel colors. Look fresh and peaceful, perfect for spring season. And viewers, you can place it on your dining table. It's lovely and clean feeling. Hope you like this design. And friends, the bunny theme centerpiece. Look at this cute bunny centerpiece. I add a small bunny in the middle and around the eggs and flower. It looks so affordable and fun. Kids will love this idea. Simple and creative decoration tried home. And viewers, so I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Viewers.